Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to withdraw XRP from your Kraken account. Ready? Let's dive in. First, sign in to your Kraken account. On the dashboard, navigate over to the Portfolio tab. Here, you're going to find a comprehensive overview of all your assets. Next, locate and click the Withdraw button. A new screen will appear, listing all the cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. In the search bar, type XRP and click on it. Now you'll see an option to select a previously added address. If you've already added a withdrawal address, great. Just select it and proceed. If not, click on the Add Addresses button. For those dealing with EOS, this button will appear as Add Account. Once you click Add Address, you'll need to enter and confirm the new address. Make sure you double-check the address before confirming it. With XRP, it's crucial to include the destination tag if required by your receiving wallet. After confirming the address, choose the amount you wish to withdraw and review the details carefully. Finally, click on Withdraw. Kraken may ask for a confirmation via email or 2FA, so be ready for that extra step. And there you have it. Your XRP withdrawal process from Kraken is done. Remember, always be cautious with your private keys and double-check addresses to avoid irreversible losses. Thanks for tuning in.